Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Grafana for metrics visualization. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Grafana for metrics visualization, first, ensure you have Grafana installed on your system. You can download Grafana from the official website. Choose the version that matches your operating system. Once downloaded, follow the installation instructions provided for your specific platform. After installation is complete, launch Grafana by opening your terminal or command prompt. For Windows, you can find Grafana in your Start menu. For Mac OS or Linux, use the terminal to start the Grafana server. By default, Grafana runs on port 3000. Open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost 3000. You will be prompted to log in for the first time. Use the default username and password, both set to admin. After logging in, you will be asked to change your password. Choose a new password and confirm it to proceed. Now you will be taken to the Grafana dashboard. To begin visualizing metrics, click on Configuration in the left sidebar. Select Data Sources from the menu options. Click on Add Data Source to connect to your metrics data. Choose the type of data source you want to add, such as Prometheus or InfluxDB. Fill in the required fields with your data source information. After entering the details, click on Save and Test to confirm the connection. Once the data source is added successfully, return to the dashboard. Click on the plus icon in the left sidebar to create a new dashboard. Then click Add New Panel to start visualizing your metrics. Select the visualization type you prefer, such as graph or table. Choose your data source in the panel settings and write a query to retrieve data. You can adjust the time range and other settings to refine your visualization. Once you're satisfied with the panel, click Apply to add it to the dashboard. Continue adding panels as needed for different metrics. When finished, save your dashboard by clicking on the disk icon at the top. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.